Welcome to Physics Hub. My name is Sain Surfi, and today in this video I'm going to talk about the upcoming price hike on Unacademy Plus subscription. So the Unacademy Plus subscription price will be hiked very soon. I'll let you know about the dates later on. But before that, I would like to tell you what are the upcoming courses which are going to be launched on Unacademy. So first of all, the first course which is going to launch is the course for CSR NET June 2021. CSR NET June 2021 Physical Science. I'll talk about these courses later on. Second course, which is currently ongoing, it has started in the mid of December. That is for GATE 2021 Physics. Okay, and another course, third course, will be launched in 2021. That is for JEST 2021 Physics. Okay, let me just tell you one thing, that if you take only one subscription, then you'll be able to avail all of these courses, and not only my courses, you'll be able to watch courses of other educators as well. Okay, and you can watch all the videos of all time of all educators by just taking on only one subscription. Now let me just tell you in detail about the courses which are going to be launched. So first of all, detailed of the course CSR NET Physical Science course. So it is starting on in January 2021, and it will be a 5 months course, and all the subjects will be covered in detail with previous year questions plus some new problems. Each session will be of 1 hour 30 minutes long live classes, and in case you miss the live classes, you can also watch the offline recording of that video. It will be available just after 1 hour of the live class, and a dedicated doubt clearing session will be there after every 3 lectures, where you can clarify all of your doubts. And there are facilities of weekly test, mega test, so that you can justify your performance, you can check your performance. Assignments are given with their detailed solutions, and full length tests will also be provided periodically, so that you can improve your performance. And classes will be conducted in English in my classes. Notes will also be provided in English, and there are other educators as well. You can also attend the classes of all the educators who takes classes in Hindi as well. Okay, so you have to take only one subscription. You can utilize our referral code Physics Hub or Sign Live, any one of it you can utilize, and you will be able to watch everything. Now let me just tell you about the details of GATE crash course. So it is of 3 months duration, and all of the classes which have been already conducted, you can also watch them by just taking one subscription. You can also watch the previous offline recording of those classes. So it is basically a problem oriented course, and each session is of 1 or 30 minutes live class. And here also you get a dedicated doubt clearing session after every third lecture. Here also you get facilities of weekly test, mega test. Assignments are also given with the detailed solutions, and I personally conduct the classes in English, and the notes are also provided in English. Okay, and there are a lot of benefits of taking Unacademy Plus subscription. I have already told a few of them. Now you can say I have summarized the total benefits of taking Unacademy Plus subscription. I think these are some major benefits of taking Unacademy Plus subscription. You get daily live class, you get part and full length tests with their detailed solutions, assignments with their detailed solutions, you get a proper structured course. The whole syllabus is covered here. You get a dedicated doubt clearing session after every 3 lectures. PDF of the study materials are given, and class notes also given. Classes are conducted both in Hindi and English language. Offline video recordings are available to watch anytime. You can watch it anytime on any device. You can utilize a mobile phone, tablet, iOS device, and laptop, etc. And you also get WhatsApp and Telegram group supports. So you can join our WhatsApp group. Just send me a message on this number 9609090334. Or if you have any query related to the Unacademy Plus subscription, you can also send me a message on this number. And you can manually join our Telegram group by manually searching this ID Physics Hub 1, or you can send me a message on WhatsApp number. I will send you all the necessary links. And how to join? You can go to the Unacademy Learning app, or you can visit Unacademy website unacademy.com, and you can take Unacademy Plus subscription for any duration. Plus subscription for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months are available. You can choose any plan, and if you use our referral code either Physics Hub or Sahin Live, you get 10% discount in any of the plan. So you can visit my profile. You just search it within my name, Sahin Surifi, and you will get my profile. Once you visit my profile, you will get lot of the courses. Detailed course on nuclear particle physics, practice course on physical science for GATE 2021, detailed course on electromagnetic theory, detailed course on classical mechanics, revision course on physical sciences, complete course on quantum mechanics, detailed course on atomic and molecular physics, detailed course on condensed matter physics, detailed course on physical sciences, practice course on physical sciences, crash course on the most important topics of physical sciences. So you can avail all of these courses by just taking one plus subscription using our referral code Physics Hub or Shine Live. And a lot of special classes are there. These classes are free for everyone. You can just check out these classes, and this is completely free. You just need to install the Unacademy Learning app and you can watch them for free. Now currently, for the present time, the following plans are available from 1 month to 24 months. Okay, but this price is going to hike in 25th of December, on 25th of December. So if you are thinking of taking plus subscription, take it right now. Don't delay it. If you have thought about it, then you should take it immediately. Otherwise, the price will be hiked and you have to pay some extra for the same plans. So it's the right time to take Unacademy Plus subscription and start your preparation for the upcoming CSIR NET June 2021 exam, and use this referral codes so that you can get 10% off. So hurry up, few days are left only, and price hike will start from 25th of December, this Christmas. So enroll now, take Unacademy Plus subscription, and you can also join these groups. These groups are completely free. You can have discussions there. You can send your problems, and fellow students can solve your doubts and all of these things. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. If you have any query related to this or anything else, you can just let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.